What's up guys, Chris here from Impact Off-Road Group. Today I'm just going to show you a little bit that we do on our latest demo. This is one that we do for a few guys if they want to do that little extra on their trucks, just to tweak a little bit. We call it the blackout kit. So we just do a few items in the black, so all of our galv stuff, which is our bull bar mount and our tow bar, we do a full powder coat in the black. It's still galvanized underneath, so it's still protected, but it just gives it that cool look at the other end. The other item we throw in, we send our rims in and get them done as well. So obviously all powder coated black front and rear, obviously with the tyres and the black guards, comes out looking really cool. We also ship to Australia as well, so we can palletise everything, whether it's rims, tyres, flares, lift kits, you name it. Give us a holler, we can jump on there, we can do freight pricing, we can do anything. Check out our website, otherwise give us a holler.